respect to in our lives or in the whole universe?
I know.
Yes.
God.
God. We show respect to. In sign language, God is like this, like a shepherd's staff. Everyone say God.
God.
Yes. Why do we honor God? Thank you so much. Why do we honor God? Who made the whole world?
God.
God. Let's everybody cover your eyes. Brooklyn, let's do your Bible verse. Everyone cover your eyes because in the beginning there was nothing. In the beginning, everyone said God.
God.
Created the heavens and the earth. One more time. Cover your eyes. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Hey guys, you like baseball? Where was the first baseball game in the Bible? Genesis 1:1. In the big inning, God created the heavens and the earth. In the big inning, ha. That was my grandfather's joke. So we need to show respect to God because He made us and He loves us so much. Who else do we need to show respect to?
To your parents.
To our parents, and that's who loves us the most in the world besides God, is our mom and our dad. Who else do we show respect to?
Teachers.
Our teachers. What are some ways we can show respect to our teachers? Yes, Bernice.
Doing what the teacher tells us to do.
That's right. How quickly when mom and dad obey us or our teachers obey us, how fast should we obey? Like 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours? Brooklyn, how fast?
Right away without delay.
That's true. Everyone say it together. Right away without delay. Faster. Right away without delay. Faster. And you obey like, yeah, whatever. Or do you obey with happy eyes?
Happy
That's right. When we obey at home, we learn to obey God too. Obey your parents. God will be pleased with you. So we wear our teachers right away without delay and happy eyes. If the teacher asks you to do something, you say, sure, I'd be glad to. Let's say it together.
Sure, I'd be glad to.
And then after you do it, you say, is there anything else you want me to do? Ready? Yes.
When your mom tells you to clean your room, you do it right away without delay.
How quickly?
Right away without delay.
When your teacher asks you to do something, how quickly do you do it?
Right away without delay.
And let me tell you a secret. No matter how old you are, like even if you're one of the like very cool teenagers in middle school or high school at ACA, they need to obey their parents and their teachers too. And even your teachers need to obey their boss. My husband is a professor at the university. And if his boss asks him, excuse me, Ned, can you get me those files, please? Can he say to his boss, oh, do I have to?
No.
Can he say to his boss, oh, I don't feel like it?
No.
Oh, man, you always make me do everything. Ask somebody else, right? Can he say that to his boss?
No.
So we're all under authority. Say that big word, authority.
Authority.
So we're all under authority before God. And your moms and dads they're under authority before God. My husband is under authority before God and before his boss, right? So everyone is under authority, and we need to honor and respect those that are authority over us. And the last one, who do we need to show respect to, Brooklyn?
Friends.
Brooklyn, what does this say? Friend, that's right. And here's my trick to remembering friend. If you cover F-R-I-E, what's the word? End. You're a friend to the end. True friend will always be there. A friend will be there with you through the hard times. A friend will celebrate when things are fine. Friends lift you up and cheer you on. Say, don't give up. Please stay strong. A friend will always be the one to count on. That's why we show respect to our friends. And you're a friend to the end. It's I-E, and I used to get mixed up. Does I go first or E go first? But if you can see the word end, you've spelled it right.
It's okay, we have a generator even if those two go up.
Oh, okay. You're a friend to the end. So we're going to sing this song called R-E-S-P-E-C-T. And it says, yes.
When do you think you were going to read this?
You know what? We don't have time today. We're going to do it the next time. If you guys invite me back, we can do it more. And would you like to do this with the kids in Aldergrove and maybe the kids at the church and the kids at the high school? And we can invite them. When you go to university, you need to have really good manners. Okay, teachers, friends. Okay, who didn't get to hold up a sign yet that would like to hold up a sign? Abby, can you hold up teachers, please? And would you hold the friends? Yes, and Brooklyn can hold them up. So we're going to sing R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I'm going to teach you the actions. We go like this. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Say it together and stretch. Ready? R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Oh, hi, Trinity. We'll need your help. Come on up here and hold it. And then we're going to go swimming. Everybody wants it. Together. Everybody wants it. Then we do the hammer. R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
Okay, thank you. And then we do the twist. Everybody needs it. Ready? Okay, let's all stand up.
There's the ones who have a bad attitude and are rude. They never remember to say please or thank you. They always want their parties for themselves, or they cut in line. Sometimes they're disrespectful, or grouchy, or whining, or they feel like they're
When you're
rude.
done, you can go
But
right
one thing
here.
I'm always notice about people with bad manners.
I found it. R-E-S-P-E-C-T.
But
Okay, hold over your tummy.
people with bad manners, we've got to
Okay, guys, we're going to stand up and do the actions. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Oh,
Manners, monsters.
wait. This is a monster song.
Not the monsters.
Let's meet the monsters.
The bad manners monsters.
Ready? Let's do this one. Oh, no.
I'll hold the messy basket.
The bad manners monsters are common in town. The bad manners monsters are lurking around. They're looking for someone with a bad attitude. But don't be fooled. The lonely man will be fooled.
There's one.
There's Ronnie. Ronnie, come on up here.
Green eyes.
Grouchy. The grouchy. He makes all the kids run. He's mean and he's nasty, but he's always alone. If he isn't nice, he'll always be on his own. What's the next monster?
There's that Grabba-Jabba.
Oh, Grabba-Jabba.
In the back.
Everybody Grabba-Jabba. The Grabba-Jabba always wants to be first. The Grabba-Jabba doesn't care who he hurts. He grabs the biggest and he grabs the best, but he'll always be lonely, this I must confess.
What's the next monster? Hey, look out, everyone. Here comes Nessie.
Oh, Bessie. The mess. Everyone show me your
She
hands.
never washes her hands.
The messy Bessie litters up the land. Her room is so messy and disorganized. She can't find a thing. Well, I'm not surprised.
Oh, it's a whiny rhino.
Whiny rhino. The whiny rhino has a bad attitude. The whiny rhino is always so rude. He never is thankful and he whines and complains that no one will like him if he's always a pain. Oh,
Hey, look at that wiggly jiggly.
Wiggly Jiggly, who's got Wiggly Jiggly? Yes, everybody wiggle.
Wiggly jiggly always wiggles and squirms.
The Wiggly Jiggly never waits. She never waits her turn.
She never sits still and interrupts everyone.
The Wiggly Jiggly isn't any fun. Oh my goodness.
It's the Slobberoo.
Oh, we're Slobberoo. He always eats like a goop. The Slobberoo slurps up all of the soup. He licks all his fingers and he gobbles his food. But he eats all alone because he's always so rude.
Come on, everybody, let's get out of
You
here.
guys, let's say goodbye to those monsters, right?
The bad manners monsters
Are lurking around. They're looking for someone with a bad attitude. But don't be fooled, they'll only make you rude. So here's what you do when you meet them. You say, go away, bad man.